Hi, Sydney. Today, this morning, I woke up and I looked and felt exactly like this. Except, I had a nice, pseudo-Batman voice. I am Rachel. At first, I blamed it all on allergies. It's not just allergies. What I'm telling you is, I'm freaking sick. So, in honor of this joyous occasion, I am going to show you a quick tutorial on how to look decent while you're sick. I'm sure you will be in this situation at some point, and you might as well know. First step is your eyes. The first thing about this first step is that this step is a lie. You can't do jack with your eyes right now. They're watering like Niagara Falls, and it's just not going to happen. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put on your glasses, because that is the international symbol for I am sick as crap. Get out of my way. And you know what? People respond to that. Second step is your nose. Dedicate a chapstick to solely moisturizing this area that you've rubbed raw. Just, go for it. Done. Then we have your lips. Now, your lips are the only thing that are functioning properly right now. Kind of. So, we're going to pick the freaking boldest color we got and just put it on everywhere. Done. Now, for your cheeks, your skin is probably resembling shades of polar bear right now. So, you know what? Let's pick the brightest color we've got and just put on as much as we freaking feel. Just whatever. The final step, you're going to need a freaking heavy concealer, because I don't know about you, but my nose is red, my eyes are red, I got random splotches everywhere. You're going to need the thickest concealer you can find. Take a scarf, pull it so that one side is a lot shorter than the other side, and then just start wrapping. Just around your head, around your eyes. You don't need to see. Leave a little space for your nose and mouth, and then just tuck it in. You want to be able to blow snot without having difficulties. You want your only decent looking part of you to be exposed. There you go. Done. If you run into a wall because you can't see, then it ain't no big thing. If you run into a wall and get knocked unconscious, you'll at least have a little bit of peace where you can just not worry about the fact that this is going on. So there you go. That's how you do it. I'm going to give you a very brief recap of the things that have happened to me, because I just don't feel like it. Yesterday morning, I went to school. Monday night, I did not pick out my outfit like I said I was going to. I woke up that morning and had 3 lovely uniform shirts to pick from. They're all so beautiful. Your old gray polo shirt was one of my 3 shirts that I had to choose from. And it was definitely a high contender, because whether you know it or not, there's a nice stain right here on the boob, which really, helped it. I'll be happy to know that it made it to, well, to top 3. And I wore my outfit